Hey guys, welcome to Impex. I hope you all are doing good. Today, I am standing in front of you to introduce our two new products which we have added to our portfolio. They are Grande 43 AU10 and Grande 32 AU20. Let's see what Grande 43 AU10 has to offer for you. The product is live over here, and let's see what is the physical overview of the product. The TV unit is entirely built of high-grade plastic, including the stand, which has a glossy finish all over the frame. This plastic frame and stand is highly rigid and capable of holding the entire TV unit. After the physical overview, now let's check out what the display consists of. The display of Grande 43 AU10 comes with full HD resolution, which has high contrast ratio, better color reproduction, which helps in having a better viewing experience. It's not just that. When we are going into a detail of the display, we can see that the display of Grande 43 AU10 is manufactured using a technology called DLED technology or direct LED technology. How do we compare two televisions? The first thing that we all notice when two TVs are placed side by side is how the colors are produced in the screen. Coming into Grande 43 AU10, this TV comes in the category of 12-bit RGB color gamut, which produces 16.7 million colors in a single pixel. As I said earlier, this TV generates very much natural colors, which increases your viewing experience in a whole. When it comes to the audio section of Grande 43 AU10, the TV is packed with two bottom-firing speakers, which produces a total output of 20 watts. The speakers are backed with Dolby Audio and DTS HD. This technology helps you to experience crystal clear sound at every point of your entertainment. The TV comes with an operating system of Android version 9.0, which supports more than 10 million apps from the Play Store, which simply means that you have the flexibility to shuffle through multiple apps and games according to your convenience from the Play Store. How about if there is someone to assist you? Yes, Grande 43 AU10 comes with Google Assistant, who can really read your voice and perform according to your command. Google Assistant can help you to watch your favorite shows from multiple streaming platforms and help you to guide through the user interface. The TV comes with multiple connectivity options like HDMI ARC, optical out, USB, RJ45, AV in, and headphone jack. But our connectivity features are not just limited to this. We offer you Wi-Fi, which is single band, Bluetooth version 5.0, and also Chromecast built-in. With these multiple connectivity features, you can connect all your smart devices or your multiple smart devices which is there in your home to our TV unit. You might be really curious to know how the Grande 43 AU10 performs. Grande 43 AU10 comes with quad-core processor, which is ARM Cortex-A55, and graphic processor Mali 470 GPU, which is backed with 1 GB of RAM, which gives you a smooth experience in games as well as through the user interface of the TV. The Grande 43 AU10 comes with 8 GB of internal storage, which gives you a space to store your favorite contents like photos, music, and videos offline. Our features are not just limited to this. We offer you multiple modes like game mode, parallel control, on-off timer, and other convenient features. Now, you might be wondering, what is the warranty for the product? We Impex offers you 2-year full warranty and on-site service. Knowing all these exciting features and specifications of Grande 43 AU10, we know that this hardware fits best into your entertainment space. With that being said, stay tuned to our social media handles and website. Impex has got a lot more exciting products to be launched this year. Until we meet next time, this is me Randir Chandran signing off from Impex.